Matthew Moore's MM Wood Studio. Today is Monday, April 16th. The side table's done. Let's get into it. All right, before we get into everything that happened with this little side table this week, real quick, I'm going to be in Massachusetts this coming weekend at Fine Woodworking Live. I've been looking forward to it. I signed up as a vendor, I don't know, maybe 4, 5, 6 months ago. I told them last year, count me in for next year, and I'm sure enough, I'm going to be there. I'll have my table with plans and projects from the school, and since it's a show, I figured why not have a show special? So I'm going to be extending my show special to you guys on YouTube as well. So instead of $150 per year for unlimited access to every single class in the school, which this is now number 12, and I've got number 13 already in the can with more stuff coming this year, it's incredible value. So instead of $150, $100. Now, if you use the coupon code FWWLIVE for Fine Woodworking Live, you can get $50 off a yearly subscription. Okay, so let's talk about this table here. So when I left you guys last week, I had just finished shaping the parts. Now, after that, the next step was to drill some holes on the bottom of this upper support so that I could attach the tabletop. Now I'm using some number 10 screws with a washer, and those are going to be put into holes that are wider than the screw with pilot holes for the shafts that are wider than the shaft. And I use some wax to help coat the ends of the screws to help me cut my threads as I screw it into the tabletop for the first time. I needed to sand the pieces, the base, the top, the supports, upper and lower, and with that also comes the importance of not sanding into where the joint area is, otherwise you're going to create an unsightly gap. So as you saw here, I'm staying away from where the joinery is, and I'm just going to come back later with some blue tape and tape around the joinery, and then come in with some sandpaper and hand sand right up to the edge. Now, after all that was done, I needed to round over my edges, and I had a small little router plane with the round over bit help me with that. A little bit of hand sanding. Now it's time to glue up, and it was time to finally put the finish on this guy here. And this is what it looks like. I am so jazzed with how this table came out. I cannot wait to put this upstairs. I think it's beautiful. And just see look what you could do with just some scraps sitting on your lumber rack. I think it's fantastic. I'm loving it. I mean, take a look at it straight on. Here we go. This is going to be the couch side. This will be the live edge side. Obviously, the side that's exposed. Oops. I really dig the slightly offset center column for the base, and it's still very sturdy. Don't get me wrong, this is not going anywhere, it's not moving anywhere. It's just fantastic. It's you could put a ton of weight here. Okay, I was lifting this way, but you can put a ton of weight here and it's not going to lift up. I wouldn't doubt you could even sit on top of it or stand on top of it, which I'm not going to do. I'm not going to push my luck. But yeah, so it's done. This is the 12th project in the school. And get this, all the videos for every single yearly member, they're all up now. I edited every single video while I was building this thing, and I got them all up this weekend for you guys to watch. The plans will be coming very soon. I started working on those, but every single video, every single chapter for this project is online in the school right now. So I'm pretty jazzed about that, because that gives me 12 as I fly to Boston to drive to Surabridge, something like that, Massachusetts, for Fine Woodworking Live this weekend. So that's pretty much it for me here in the shop this week. Otherwise, I've been upstairs editing, getting stuff ready for the show. Yeah, I'm just jazzed. I'm really digging this table. I think it's awesome. So let me know what you guys have been up to in the shop this week. Leave that in the comments below. And as always, please subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and hit that thumbs up button if you like this video. If you're watching us on Facebook, hit the like button, share your timeline, and head over to the MM Studio page and like us there as well. And as always, have a great week in your shop.